Welcome to the More Realtors weekly St. Louis real estate market update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at More, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market this week. Let's jump right in with the real estate news. In the past week, a report came out showing that serious mortgage delinquencies increased in January. This was the first monthly increase in more than 6 months. We also published an article explaining what seller concessions are, and reported that the St. Louis mortgage interest rates on 30-year fixed rate loans dropped back below 5%. There was also a case this week where the Missouri Supreme Court upheld a tax sale by the city of St. Louis. This is a story about a homeowner that lost their property for back taxes because they were not receiving tax bills or notices of the tax sale because the city didn't have their current mailing address. It's interesting reading. And finally, there was a story showing that from a survey that Americans were gaining confidence in the stability of home prices again, which is good news. Okay, let's jump right into the market itself. Now, all the data I'm going to share with you in these following charts is for a 5-county area in the St. Louis area. It includes the city of St. Louis as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. If you click on the chart, you'll be taken to our website where you can get detailed market analysis, including charts and statistics for every specific market area in the St. Louis region. This first chart is a chart we have that shows for the past 12 months the median sale price of homes that sold, as well as the median number of days it took to sell. The green line is the sales price, blue line's the days on market. You can see clearly days on market has steadily been increasing. It looks like here for February it was somewhere above 70 days, and now going into March is approaching 80. And on the price side, we can see that prices peaked back here in June of 2010, had another little peak around December 2010, then dipped down, and now appear to be trending upward. When we go to the next chart here, this is the same info, but just on a year-to-date chart. So it's real easy to see the blue line, the median days on market to sell, is definitely trending up this year. On a positive note, the median sales price is trending up slightly this year as well. The next chart I have here shows the ratio of what a home sold for versus what price it was listed for. And we've got two charts there, two lines rather. One, the green line represents that final sales price as a percentage of the original list price, so what the home came out on the market priced at originally. The blue line, which is higher, is the final sales price versus the list price at the time of the sale. Again, in both cases, we can see both of them tend to be trending upward here. If we go to the next chart, it'll be year to date, and we can see very clearly that on a positive note that sales price to original list price and sale price to current list price ratios are both increasing. In fact, looks like we're headed up toward 95% there, so that's good news. The next chart here is a chart of historic data. This shows median list price of all homes listed and median sales price of all homes sold, and for a 10-year period. And the blue line is the median list prices of all the homes that were on the market during these periods. Green line was the median sales price of all of them. And you can see there was a much closer relationship between the two back here, and it's kind of gapped, but they both trended downward for some time here. And if we go to the next chart, which is the same data on a year-to-date, or for the year-to-date only, we can see that list prices are kind of holding about the same. Median list price is about the same, but median sales price is clearly dropping. Now, what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you, so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner John Williams and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.